Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Neeraj Chitalia. I hope you must have seen my last video of 14 September. Now it was very evident on the charts that once the market starts moving below 11,400, it is definitely looking weak. After 11,400, 11,325 and now 11,200 has been decisively broken. So yes, the markets are now in the grips of the bears and you will definitely see market going down from here. So the market will first show you the level of 11,000 and 10,880 in the coming days. This looks very much possible on the charts now. Looking at the kind of the news flow, the how international markets are panning out, the kind of global cues we are getting, it is definitely a possibility that you will see 10,880 on the charts in the coming days. And so now if you want to make money, you need to change your strategy from a bullish strategy which you had earlier to a bearish strategy. You had seen a bullish move all the way from June, July, August, all the way till September. But now things have changed. You will have to change your vision to a bearish view, and you will have to short various shares, and you will have to short the index itself to make money in the market. We saw the markets open at 11,584 level on 18th of September, and it just couldn't sustain any further from there and started correcting, and the correction went on all the way till 24th September, where we saw the market close at 10,805 levels. So this is how the correction happened in the market, which was a deep correction. Yes, we definitely saw a pullback for one day on Friday 25th September, which got the market back to 11,050 level, and that is where we have closed. So if you have not yet seen the video of 14 September, I request you to first go and see that video which was posted on 14 September. And I also request you to please like and subscribe to my channel so that you keep getting updates of my videos as and when I post them. Now, talking about the agenda for this video, there are a few things which I am going to talk about. The very first thing, of course, is my view on the Nifty and where our markets headed from here. Another thing is I will try to answer a few questions which I have got from my viewers who have posted a few questions as comments on the videos. I will also try to address as to what to do next, and for the investors who are new investors who want to invest the money now, they keep asking as to is it the right time to invest now. I'll try to address that. So we are in a bearish phase in a market. That's what I can see on the charts, where you will see that a lot more days will show you market closing in the red by 50 100 points to 200 points, versus showing you that market closed in the green for 50 or 100 points, which we saw all the way starting from April onwards. April, May, June, July, August, September, all these months we saw a non-stop rally which got the market to the top point, which was 11,794. I do not really see that we will get back to that kind of bull run for at least another 2 or 3 months. That is a kind of correction I feel is now possible, and we are definitely going to see more days of red in the market from here. That is my outlook on the Nifty. Till what level can we go at the bottom? It depends on which levels keep breaking. So to answer that question, I'll open up the technical chart over here, and in the technical chart, as you can see, there are horizontal red lines in which I have demarcated various resistance and support points, and which are the levels which, if broken, we can see a further downward fall. So on the lower side, as each level keeps breaking on a week on week basis, we will see newer lows getting formed. So like you can see, if 11,300 cannot sustain, then it will try to sustain at 11,200, which is a support zone. If that does not sustain, it gets to a next low support, which is 10,880. If it can sustain over there and move up, it might go again and test 11,200. But then if that doesn't give any further supports to the Nifty, it might come back again to 10,880, go down to 10,660 level, and further to 10,560 level. So this is how each level on the technical chart is going to act as a support and resistance at the same time. You might also see that by the end of the October month, we might touch the 9,780 mark, which I do not rule out. And there will be 2 or 3 days in the entire month which you will see in green, which will be minor pullback rallies, which will bring the market up by 100 points. I strongly advise, do not buy into any of the stocks which get recommended on TV channels just because market has moved and shown everything in green for 1 or 2 days in the up move. Rather, this market is not at all for people who are looking at investment, buying shares, and keeping in their demat account for delivery. No, this market is not at all for those investors. This market is purely for traders who know how to quickly buy and quickly sell, or who are skilled enough and know how to short the market and play by buying puts and calls. My viewers have asked a question that is it the right time to invest now, and will the markets go down further? So to answer their question, my answer is, till the end of September, this pressure of selling will start, which will last all the way till the end of October. That is what I see. And for small investors who want to invest in the markets, this is not the right time, because this is exactly how they get trapped. So they tend to get bullish. They see 1 or 2 days of up move in the market, they tend to get bullish, and they tend to buy shares of companies which keep showing on various channels as recommendations, and then they buy, but those prices never come. They see a correction for 1 or 2 days, they do not put a stop loss, and then their prices never come, and this is how they get trapped at higher levels. So the next question is, what will happen Monday, starting 28th September? There will be a continuation of the pullback rally, of course, because there is a further infusion of 20,000 crore rupee in the banking system, which is possible, and on that news flow, you might see a gap up opening. The US markets have closed in the green. Again, that would again push the markets upwards. So yes, there will be an upward movement that you will see. The markets will be in the green on the Monday, which is 28th, and 29th as well. But that's definitely going to be a short-lived rally. So I hope you have liked my video today, and you must have definitely got some important points on how to make money in this kind of a falling market. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I promise you that I'll keep coming back with a lot of good videos like this and keep giving you a lot of trading ideas going forward. Wish you all the best for your trading career.